Who does the best watches in the world? The Swiss or the Japanese? Well, there is another place on the prowl for this title called Glashütte. This is the Nomos Tangente, a German marvel punching way above its weight class. The Nomos Tangente 35 is a timelessly elegant and minimalist watch that encapsulates the essence of German precision and craftsmanship. From its sleek design to its reliable movement, this timepiece is sure to impress watch enthusiasts who appreciate both form and function. First and foremost, the design of the Nomos Tangente 35 is simple yet captivating. The stainless steel case is seamlessly proportioned at 35mm, making it suitable for both men and women. The watch features a silvery white dial with black iron markers and thin blue hands, offering a clean and legible display. The minimalist aesthetic is further enhanced by the absence of a date window or any unnecessary complications, allowing the pure beauty of the design to take center stage. This timepiece embodies the Bauhaus philosophy. Form follows function, which basically means that this watch was made to be highly functional, but at the same time with a minimalist approach. We have only what we need, nothing more, nothing less. A simple silvery dial with 3 perfectly blued hands to maximize legibility. A small seconds hand with a radial finish on the background and an hour and minute hand. Black painted markers with only 2, 4, 8, 10 and 12. The Nomos logo and the birthplace of this watch, Glashütte, printed on the dial. And that's basically it. You don't need more. Comfort is another important aspect of any watch, and the Tangente 35 excels in this regard. The black strap adds a touch of sophistication and feels comfortable against the wrist. The slender profile of the watch and the lightweight nature of the stainless steel case make it effortless to wear throughout the day. The case is 35mm wide with an impressive 62mm tall, making this a perfectly comfortable watch. One of the standout features of the Tangente 35 is its exceptional attention to detail. The slim bezel and lugs seamlessly blend with the case, creating a refined and harmonious silhouette. The sapphire crystal glass on the front not only protects the dial, but also offers excellent scratch resistance for long-lasting clarity. Hidden inside the watch, we can find the beating heart of it, the Nomos Alpha manual wind movement, showcasing the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into creating each timepiece. It's a shame that we don't get a glass back. Speaking of the movement, the Nomos Tangente 35 is powered by the in-house Nomos Alpha caliber. This manual winding movement is known for its reliability and precision, delivering accurate timekeeping day after day. While some may prefer automatic movements, the manual winding mechanism of the Nomos Alpha adds a sense of engagement and connection to the watch, as you play an active role in its operation. It also helps the watch to keep its slender shape, adding to the design and comfort, without even mentioning how stunning this movement is. It's worth mentioning that Nomos Glashütte has gained a well-deserved reputation for its high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each Tangente 35 is meticulously handcrafted in Germany, ensuring exceptional build quality. The movement is adjusted by Nomos to meet strict standards of accuracy, and the timepiece undergoes rigorous testing before leaving the manufacturer. The Nomos Tangente 35 is a timeless piece that exudes elegance and precision. With its minimalist design, reliable movement, and impeccable craftsmanship, it is a versatile watch suited for any occasion. Yes, the design can be elegant, simple, and a bit, well, German. But that doesn't mean it isn't ready for some color, just as these beautiful straps show. Whether you appreciate its clean aesthetics, its German heritage, or the joy of manually winding a mechanical timepiece, the Nomos Tangente 35 is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. The retail price of this watch comes around to $1,600, which to me immediately sounds like a bargain. If any other Swiss brand would offer this in their watches, it would easily cost a minimum of 3 times more. But what do you think?